Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, viewing and testing, and as you can see I already defined the performance multi-tool accessory set, and then we've got the Parkside cordless multi-purpose tool that I already made the unboxing and review. You can see right in the corner of the video, and today it's about time to test this tool with this performance accessory from Parkside. That costs about 7 euros, and let's see what we have inside. Nice plastic case. Now here we've got a diamond saw blade for removal of defective tile joints, also for cutting slots in a plaster, porous concrete and similar construction materials. Next we have this diamond grinding tool. This is for grinding of concrete, ceramic tiles and more. Next we have the scraper, removing carpet, adhesive, paint, silicone, paint on a wood, tape, window, glazing and mortar. Okay. Next, this is a plant saw, cutting wood, plastic, drywall and more. This is the 34 millimeters cutting length. Next, we have this sanding tool. We can install these sanding seats. Choose what you want. And very easy, you can do the installation and you can take it out. Next, again, we've got the same 34 blunt saw as this, and that is the same again plant saw, but that is the 68 millimeters longer length of cutting. Nice. And I think it's time now to test the tool, and the first testing material of course is the wood. Now for installing it's very easy. Just take this red and insert it here into the gap, and then you can lock it. Six speed. Now I'm going to try the bicker. Now next is for sanding. Let's change that. nice job. This is P60, you can change the thinner sanding sheet. Next is the scraper. Next is the diamond blade. We can use that for tile joints. Let's try it. Okay, next we have this diamond grinder. So let's grind the cement to see how it works. Good job. Well guys, that was all about this testing of these accessories for the Parkside Performance Multi-Purpose Tool, and this belongs to the performance line, the accessories of course. You can check right in the corner my video for the unboxing and the review of this tool. For me, I think it's a great tool, and with the combination of these accessories is doing a great job. What do you think about that? Leave down below to the comments your thoughts. Did you buy this tool and these accessories? Are you happy with that? For me, it's okay. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.